Good morning, students. In previous video, we are discuss about motor development, their types, and factor affecting motor development like genetics, environment, nutrition, and other factor. Today, we are going to start new topic exercise guideline at different stage. Different stage means a human life divided mainly into four stage: infancy, childhood, adolescence, and adulthood. We are discuss over here of three stages of growth and development. As we all know, exercise is important at all ages, but the intensity and duration should change according to the stage of growth and development. We can divide it stage of growth and development into following parts. Over here we are looking at different stages of growth and development: infancy, then childhood is a bigger stage, so it divided into two parts: early childhood and later childhood. Here we can, and one is adolescence. Now we can talk about infancy. Now we can talk about infancy. Infancy means babyhood. It starts from zero, from the birth, and it moves up to 2 years. Infant have little control over these muscles. इस स्टेज में इन्फेंट बहुत कम वे में कंट्रोल करता है अपने मसल्स पर. In this age, child perform various activity like crawling, standing, bending, block building. Block building it means छोटे छोटे ब्लॉक बनाता है. आपने देखा होगा बचपन में जो छोटा बच्चा होता है उसको ब्लॉक दिए जाते हैं, उसके ब्लॉक बनाकर डिफरेंट टाइप के शेप क्रिएट करता है. सिटिंग एसेट्रा इट मीन्स कंट्रोल ओवर लार्ज मसल्स. पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो एनकरेज टू हैंडल सॉफ्ट टिश्यू. पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो एनकरेज टू हैंडल सॉफ्ट टॉयज एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. पेरेंट्स को भी एनकरेज करना चाहिए कि वो सॉफ्ट टॉयज को अच्छी तरह हैंडल करें और छोटे छोटे ऑब्जेक्ट को भी हैंडल करें. हैंडल इट मीन्स उनको पिक करना, मूव करना सीखें. वॉकर शुड बी अवॉइडेड एट अर्ली इन्फेंट स्टेज. वी शुड अवॉइडेड द वॉकर. वाई? बिकॉज दे डिले मोटर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ अ चाइल्ड. Move on to next point, early childhood. As we know, childhood is a long stage. That why we are divided into two types: early childhood from 3 years to 8 years and late childhood from 9 to 12 years. Early childhood, in this age group, growth is relatively slow. Motor development stabilize in this age. The child perform activity like running, jumping, throwing, kicking, etc. in this stage. इसका मतलब इस स्टेज में मोटर डेवलपमेंट धीरे धीरे क्या होना शुरू होता है. इस स्टेज में मोटर डेवलपमेंट धीरे धीरे स्टेबलाइज शुरू होता है. एंड ड्यू टू देयर स्टेबलाइजेशन he can also perform activity running, jumping, throwing, It means he can control over their small muscles activity, fine motor activity. These exercises also improve gross motor development. At this stage, bones and muscles are also developed. At this stage, the activity for children should be more fun and enjoyable. Next, we move on to late childhood. At this group or at this stage, a child take part in various activities like badminton, kabaddi, table tennis, and many more games. At this stage, children learn basic rule of competition, basic rule of games, how we can play in the competition, and he can also learn competitiveness. इस स्टेज में रूल्स रेगुलेशन गेम्स के बारे में सीखता है और उसमें पार्ट लेता है. आफ्टर दैट मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, एडोलसेंस. एडोलसेंस, it's your age group, it between 13 to 19 years. At this stage, a child can improve its muscle strength. इस स्टेज में बच्चे की मसल्स स्ट्रेंथ इम्प्रूव होती है. मसल्स स्ट्रेंथ के साथ साथ एंडोरेंस, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, speed and other component of physical fitness are also improved. It is due to the exercise. At adolescent stage, a child can perform for longer time as comparison to infant or childhood time. Longer time, he can perform longer time. He can take part in various activities like running. He can take part in strength activities, weightlifting. He can take part in balance or flexibility activity like gymnastic, endurance activity like football and tennis, volleyball, etc. At this stage, he can perform aerobic, anaerobic and resistance exercise. At this stage, he can also learn spirit of competitiveness, cooperation, coordination, etc.